Hey besties, in today's video, I will share with you how you can start to make money online beginning from today. I'm going to expose to you secrets no one is willing to share with you regarding how to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I have a giveaway, so make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. So guys, are you actually worried about the stock market? Are you worried about where to actually invest your money and start to make your money work for you? Worry no more. You are in the right place. See, do you feel like hitting your head against the brick wall when you see the lackluster interest rates? If your answer is yes, peer-to-peer lending might be the solution to all of your worries. Yes, have you heard of peer-to-peer lending? Peer-to-peer lending is a financial system that allows you to lend money directly to borrowers. Guys, there's no intermediary in this process. Peer-to-peer lending actually cuts out stuffy banks and lending institutions. Yes, so individual investors like you and I and borrowers will meet online through a specific platform or a peer-to-peer company. Yes, it's actually new. People have just recently started this medium to invest. It is growing at a rapid speed and it shows no sign of slowing down. See, according to statistics, peer-to-peer lending industry can reach over 1,000 billion. I don't know how to now put that in figures by 2025. Yes, 1,000 billion with a capital B, not 1 billion, 1,000 billion. So how do you get started with peer-to-peer lending? Getting started with peer-to-peer lending is quite easy and simple. So follow through with this few process. First thing you need to do is to choose an appropriate peer-to-peer lending platform. There are lots of them around. Open an account, yes, then deposit your funds, then begin to peruse, look through the list of the borrowers. You don't have to invest millions of dollars, not even thousands. In fact, with some websites you can spend as little as $25, and it varies completely by the peer-to-peer lending website. Now, the next step is to review the profiles of potential borrowers. Every borrower profile includes their interest rates, the reason for the loan, term of the loan, risk assessment of the loan. But then you have to be careful while you're selecting the potential borrower to lend your money to, so that your expectations can align with the borrower's profile. Also, depending on the type of investment that you make, you can make as high as 12% per annum, and or even more than that. That being said, these are riskier loans. Yes, if you want to play it safe, you can still make up to 2 to 5% per year. Instead of doing 2 to 5% per year, why don't you just go and do money markets? Yes, or with your credit union. Yes, and here are some peer-to-peer lending platforms I'm going to be sharing with you. The first one is Prosper. Prosper will offer you investment options that are specially tailored to suit your preferences. Now, Prosper is a lending platform that allows you to diversify your portfolio beyond stocks and bonds. They have other prominent features, like they have high returns on investments, 5.3% on an average. They also have a wide array of credit-worthy borrowers, and then they offer auto-invest tools to help build your target portfolio based on your mentioned requirements. And then they automatically deposit your monthly income directly into your bank account. The next one on my list here is Lending Club. Have you heard of Lending Club? It's one of the most reputable peer-to-peer investing platforms. In 2014, it became the first peer-to-peer lending website to go online. And since then, they've loaned over $44 billion. The Lending Club actually gives you the option of opening joint, trusts, corporates, and even custodial or minor accounts. Their key features are competitive returns. Investors can earn high returns of 8% every year. They also offer automated investment options for hassle-free experience. Investors can get started with as little as $1,000. They also have stellar record. Yes, they have overseen positive returns for over 99% of portfolios. Funding Circle is another one. At Funding Circle, you can directly lend funds to small British businesses, and you can earn a decent interest amount while you're doing it. And then you continue to get attractive returns each month as the borrowers pay you back. The funding cycle has 2 types of accounts, ISA and Classic. Both of those accounts have nearly the same capabilities, but the ISA account is entirely tax-free. It has some great features like high returns. You can get up to 6.5% per annum. You can earn tax-free returns on your ISA program. It is straightforward to navigate at every step. Another thing you can do is to start a data mining and AI firm. Data is the next big thing, and it's the current big thing. Just name any company. You realize that all of them function on data and how to use it to generate more revenue. So if you want to get started, you don't even have to open up a giant enterprise to leverage data. You can actually grow from strength to strength, start start small by opening up a data mining and artificial intelligence firm on your own. Once you have the right skill set, guys, employers will have no problems paying big bucks for your data mining services. Guys, two most prominent areas where you can capitalize on with your data mining and artificial intelligence services are data. Yes, data is collected and then mined to make it clutter-free. Once extracted and segmented, the data is then analyzed to find trends. Data mining and artificial intelligence are also used to identify bottlenecks or deadlocks in the internal processes of the product development. Now, your data mining skills are at the center of more productivity and sales. Now, once you open your data mining and artificial intelligence firm, you can bring a lot to the table. What you need to do is to focus on injecting new energy into the lackluster sales and marketing processes that many companies are implementing today. Now, apart from that, do you have any special language skills? Like, do you know any other language? Do you know that you can teach? In fact, if you understand English, you can also teach Chinese students how to speak English. If you can speak another language, I don't care what the language is, do you know that you can become a tutor online? Yes, you can become a tutor, become a freelancer, and start to teach people how to speak a different language, another language that you understand. Yes, you can start teaching kids. You target parents on social media and then start teaching their kids how to speak a second language. Yes, so guys, try out all the strategies and thank me later. If you have not seen my previous videos, go try it out. I also made a complete guide on how to start a blog and how to start making money from starting a blog in one day. Guys, you don't want to miss this for anything. Go and check out my videos. I'm gonna put some of them right here. Go ahead and check out my videos and start to implement all of these strategies. Don't just watch my videos. Make use of one or some of these strategies. Yes, and in fact, which of these strategies are you picking up today? Which of them are you gonna initiate today? Let me know in the comments. If you have any question for me, let me know. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Yes, this is the time for the giveaway. Yes, I promised to do a giveaway in today's video. So all you need to do is this. Guys, we have launched our Telegram community. Just go ahead and add 50 of your friends into my Telegram community. Once you do that, then come back to this video in my comments. Let me know how many people you have added. So it's safe for you to send my Telegram link to 500 of your friends or 1,000 of your friends so that at least 10% of them will join. Yes, which is 50. Once you have verified that 50 of your friends have joined my Telegram community, come to my comment section, let me know so that I can credit you the $100. Yes, I'll be sending you $100 cash gifts. I can send it through PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Western Union money transfer. I can transfer it anywhere in the world. Yes, money wave. Is it money wave or send waves? I'll transfer the money to you. All you need to do is just go ahead and share the link, my Telegram link, with your friends, your village members, your church members, your mosque members, your parakwa, and your enemies, even your village members. Share with them. And that is it, guys, for today. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, please go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd like to know your meet, where in the world are you watching from, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. I help businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize it. So guys, in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I am so proud of you. Alright, take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now, guys. Love you.
Mariam A.